Interrupted with the Convert Library DLL blocking localized conversion orchestration workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we begin the walkthrough for Convert Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Convert Library, a generic naming convention used by several high-volume software suites to house their localized data type conversion routines, e.g., string to hex or specialized metric conversions. Because it is non-standard, its absence usually indicates a broken installation of a specific tool. If missing, the program will crash during data input processing. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Because Convert Library DLL is tied to the localized conversion orchestration runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to re-sync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Convert Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Convert Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Convert Library-related documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Convert Library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.